I woke up this morning feeling 110%. I wasn't sure if it was a 3-hour nap I took last night or the adrenaline from lack of sleep, but either way, I felt great. Here's day 3. I actually woke up today with a lot of energy. Like, I felt awesome. Like 6:30 right now. I'm running late. It's also freezing outside. Look at this guy. It's freaking cold. Meow. Dang, son. Hey.
Hey!
And it being like good quality. Like, I don't think I've sacrificed quality yet.
Well, you haven't. I think that's the really cool thing is you're setting up like a really good standard for like guys like me, because I'm sitting here and I'm like, okay, I want to do more. You know, I do a lot more. So, hey, I appreciate it.
But now I'm headed over to the sweatshop, the gym, because we're making a cool like tanning video or something. I need to shave and I need to take a shower. Let's do that. We're actually shooting a little tanning promo video sweatshop right now, but I'm about to do this. This is the Aqua Spa. Yeah, I don't know, but it's like water jets. It's gonna massage me for like 15 minutes. Good job. Actually better than before.
Better than the first one.
This is the scariest thing I have ever done in my car. This is terrifying. Made it to the grocery store.